5 beginner mistakes in a stock market bull run. Hello guys, welcome to Rooftop Trading, where we talk about trading and investing. Today we'll see what are the 5 common mistakes a beginner does when he enters the stock market, especially in the bull phase of the stock market. What is bull market? According to the definition given by Investopedia, bull market is when the stock prices rise. Usually, if the stock price rise more than 20% from the recent low, it is considered as a bull market. Also, bull market is like first half of Shah Rukh Khan's movie. Kiran. Where you fall in love with your portfolio. You feel like looking at it over and over again. Everything is green and happy. Whereas in the bear market, you experience something called as the ostrich effect. You hate to look at your portfolio. Everything in your portfolio is bleeding. Now that we know what is the bull market, let's see what are the 5 biggest mistakes committed by a beginner when he enters the stock market, especially in the bull phase of the stock market. Number 1. Trying to time the market and going all in. Time in the market is more important than timing the market. What it means is, suppose I have 1 lakh rupees to invest in the stock market. As a beginner, what I do is I invest all the 1 lakh in one go. But instead of that, if I divide the 1 lakh into 10 equal parts of 10,000 rupees each and invest this 10,000 rupees in equal interval of say about 1 month, then the probability of you getting the higher return is higher in this case when compared to this case. This is also known as dollar cost averaging. This is also a form of systematic investment plan, what we call as SIP. As you can see, in this case, you are spending more time in the market. Whereas in this case, you are just trying to time the market. You are not staying for longer duration in the market. You just jump in and that's it. Most of the time, beginners opt for this one than this and they suffer. Mistake number 2, the get rich quick mentality. We as a beginner, when we enter the stock market, we think of it as a get rich quick scheme. You think this is the easy money and you can make money easily and quickly. But let me tell you, it is one of the hardest ways to make money. Beginners, when they enter the market, they have one aim in their mind. 21 दिन में पैसा डबल.
25 दिन में पैसा डबल. 25 दिन में पैसा डबल.
To fuel to this mentality, there are so many stock market scammers who claim to have these astronomical returns which even God cannot achieve. Let me tell you, Warren Buffett, who is arguably one of the best investors of the last decade, could achieve only around 20% CAGR. Let me tell you, that's a lot. So as a beginner, when you enter the stock market, remove this perception and think of this as a long-term game. There's no quick and easy money. If you get quick and easy money, you'll lose it even quicker. It is said that to master an art, you need to spend at least 10,000 hours on it. Stock market is open from 9:15 AM to 3:20 PM. So imagine you spend every day in the stock market. You'll need at least 4.5 to 5 years to achieve this 10,000 hours. So have patience when you enter the stock market. Mistake number 3, falling for scammers. Free calls, free tips, 21 दिन में पैसा double and all those stuff. All these things, 99.9% of them are fake and a scam. So as a beginner, you need to be extra careful. There are a lot of scavengers and evil vultures waiting out there to feed on these innocent investors, especially the beginners. Every new day you find a new type of scam. So you must be extra careful. Number 4, everyone's favorite, the penny stocks. Yes, penny stocks glitter in a bull market. But you know that everything that glitters is not gold. Especially the penny stocks. It looks very cheap and attractive. And it's very enticing and you feel like this is the stock which is a multi-bagger in next 10 or 15 years. But when the music stops, you realize that cheap doesn't mean good. So, as a beginner, I would suggest you to stay away from penny stocks. Number 5, using the leveraged instruments. Yes, the options and futures. I'm kind of in a crossroad about this mistake because this is one mistake which you can consider as a good mistake because you get to learn a lot from this mistake. A child falls a number of times before he stands up and starts to walk. But it would be really stupid of you if you throw that child off the building, right? Yes. So options and futures is exactly like this. So as an absolute beginner, I would suggest you to strictly stay off from these leveraged instruments. So these were the 5 common mistakes a beginner does when he enters the stock market, especially in the bull run. Now you know how to avoid it. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and share. And don't forget to subscribe to Rooftop Trading. Until next time, peace.